Video vlog check everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you are watching my YouTube channel that features lifestyle, travel, food, and tech. So this time for our next video vlog adventure and we are going to unbox a brand new tablet from Huawei Philippines. This is a new tablet. Pinadala nila dito sa bahay para ma-review natin. This is a review unit, so we're going to check out yung ano ba yung difference nitong Huawei Matepad. Not the Pro, iba pa yung Huawei Matepad Pro. So this is the much more lower version. I think the Huawei Matepad Pro is around 32,000 pesos. Itong Huawei Matepad lang is around 20,000 pesos. Ano yung difference nito, no? So for this month, puro Huawei Matepad tayo. So ayan, abangan nyo yung ating mga i-upload na video. So ito yung Huawei Matepad, the tablet, and nagpadala rin sila ng casing, Huawei Matepad folio cover. So check natin to kung ano bang style nito, kung same din ba siya nung cover dun sa Huawei Matepad Pro. Pero I guess wala tong keyboard, no? Kasi sa Huawei Matepad Pro may keyboard. Okay guys, bago tayo magtuloy sa ating unboxing, I'd like to show you itong Matepad Super Deals ni Huawei Philippines. Na kung bumili kayo ng Huawei Matepad ngayon sa halagang 20,990, that's yung promo nito mag-run na September 5 hanggang September 20. At pag bumili kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng freebies na worth 8,207. May kasama siyang free gifts na ito. May kasamang folio, tsaka meron ding parang Huawei na smartwatch. Tapos pag bumili naman din kayo ng Huawei Matepad Pro, meron din kayong makukuhang yung folio niya na may keyboard tsaka yung pen, at tsaka ito may mga Mobile Legends na na credits yata, I think. So yun, take advantage itong super deals ng Huawei Philippines, yung Matepad Super Deals na best mate for you hanggang September 20 po ito. So yun, and let's continue our unboxing. So ito yung specs ng Huawei Matepad. The color nito is midnight gray. I think ito yung kulay na nila ata for the Philippines. 10.4 inches yung display niya na may 84% screen to body ratio. Tapos ang resolution niya ay 2000 by 1200, may 224 ppi. CPU niya is Kirin 810. Tapos meron siyang GPU na Mali G52 at EMUI niya is 10.1 based on Android 10. So okay to talagang for me, medyo powerful na talaga to kasi malakas na rin yung specs niya for the CPU ng Huawei Matepad. Also meron tong 4GB of RAM, meron siyang 64GB na storage, pero pwede mo siyang ma-expand up to 512GB gagamit lang kayo ng micro SD card. For the rear camera, 8MP ang specs nito. For the front camera, 8MP ultra wide. Uy, gusto ko tong matry ito at pa-testing. At ang battery niya ay 7250 mAh. Medyo malaki lang rin yung battery din niya. So meron siyang LTE kasi may SIM card to. OTG supported na rin din to. USB Type-C na may USB 2.0. Supported din yung wireless screen projection niya. At meron siyang Huawei Hisense 6.0 sound effect. Meron din siyang 4 speaker. Tsaka output din niya is 4 speaker din. Meron din siyang 4 microphone for calls, video recording, and audio recording. At meron siyang kasamang Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter cable kasi wala itong headphone jack. Sa USB Type-C lang tayo kukuha ng for our audio recording and also headphones. So yun, for the SRP 20,990 at yun, take advantage yung offer nila Huawei Philippines na hanggang September 20 kung saan makakascore kayo ng mga freebies. Okay, let's do the unboxing now. So ito ang Huawei Matepad. So unbox na natin. Ayan. So nakalagay dito 10.4 inches and they have the Huawei App Gallery. At ang color nito ay color midnight gray. This is a 64GB na ROM at may RAM na 4GB. So okay naman din, parang smartphone level yung kanyang specs. So this is the Huawei Matepad. Check it out, yo. Wow. Wow, ganda. It's very, very shiny. By the way, I'm using my Huawei P30 in recording this video vlog. So, ayan. Wow. Check natin yung ilalim. Wow, it's very sleek and nice. Ganda. Sa screen niya. So check natin ano pa yung laman ng box. So this is the power charger. Ayan. Buti na lang natin yung style niya. And meron din siyang dito. Nakikita nyo dito ng pin for the SIM card. Ayan. Para ano to, ma-power yung inyong Huawei with a SIM. So para siyang phone na rin din, di ba? And this is there's a manual and warranty card. Ayan. And this ito yung 4D earphones or pang mic. Tanggalin na natin, mukhang walang gumamit. Ayan, kasi sa testing natin gagamitin natin to eh. So we need this para matest natin yung Huawei Matepad. So ito rin din yung wag nyo rin iwawala kasi very rare din to find a Huawei na ganito, na USB Type-C na 3.5 na pang headphone. Ayan. And also, meron din siyang power charger. Ayan. Power charger. Ay, yung USB Type-C. Kaya ano to? USB Type-C. The cable sa power charger. Okay. Pabalaman ito. Wala na siyang laman. I think meron mo siyang pen. Wala. It's only the box na. So, try mga kailangan natin yung charger, yung USB Type-C na pang headset, and also a cable, USB Type-C cable. So, tanggo ko muna to. And this is the star of the day natin, yung Huawei Matepad. Para siyang Huawei Matepad Pro. So, I guess let's open the the folio. Ayan. Folio cover. Open na to kasi may gumamit ng ibang tech vlogger. So, tayo yung next na magre-review. So, kailangan ingatan din natin to. Ayan. So, okay. Nice. It's just a, parang almost the same din with the, Huawei Matepad Pro. Wala nga lang siyang keyboard. So, lagay na natin to para, we can fire it up. Ano ba to? Ayun, nag-lock na. So, mukha na siyang, may magnetic siya. Ganda, may magnetic, magnetic cover. So, pwede siyang ganito. Pwede na yung ganyan. And pag gagamit kayo ay nakaganito. So this is the Huawei Matepad. Ayan. Ganda. And here's the back. So sa gilid niya is the power button. This is the power button. Sa taas yung volume rocker. And for the SIM tray, ito nasa bandang ilalim siya. So there's the USB Type-C plug, tsaka yung mga holes dito, ito yung kanilang speaker. And also sa kabilang side may speakers din. Ayan, speaker. Ayan. So yun, this is just a quick unboxing. So gagawa pa tayo ng another feature for this tablet. So yun, thank you guys for watching. So don't you forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you at the next video blog adventure. So thank you Huawei Philippines for lending me this. And I'm excited to try games, pang online school, surfing, blogging, YouTubing, and many others. So yun, kita-kits sa next video vlog.